you guys, welcome back. Today I'm making green mango salad. It's spicy, sour, umami, and slightly salty and sweet, full of vibrant flavors for summer. Let's get started. Green or underripe mango is crunchy and sour, with little to no sweetness. The ones I have here are starting to ripen, as you can see the slight yellow hue of the meat. If you can find ones that are crunchier and greener, even better. Shave into shards like this. It's okay if they're not all the same size. That will add to the texture of each bite. We'll need dried shrimp and tons of red chilies. The more the better for me. Let's make the salad dressing. The amounts of each of the following ingredients will depend on the sourness and sweetness of your green mango, so taste and adjust the flavors accordingly and to your liking. In goes the chilies, crab paste, shrimp paste, MSG, sugar, seasoned unfiltered fish sauce, and freshly squeezed lime juice. It should be savory and slightly sweet, followed by sourness. In goes the green mango. And dried shrimp for a fun umami chewiness. Mix well. You can also add thinly sliced shallots and roasted peanuts if you like. That would also be good. Here we have it, spicy green mango salad. Serve with protein like steak and fried fish, and of course, sticky rice. With clean hands, dig in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.